Are you looking to upgrade your weak stock plastic backrest, but you're worried it's going to be too difficult? Let me show you just how quick and easy it actually is. Your stock luggage rack is held on by 4 bolts, 2 on either side. First thing we're going to do is remove those 4 bolts. And all you're going to need to do this is a 5mm hex. Lift up your stock luggage rack, and you'll see in the holes you have a spacer and you have a bolt. We're going to be reusing the bolts. We're not going to be reusing the spacers. Go ahead and set aside the spacers and the stock luggage rack. This is the Advanced Sport Touring Luggage Rack. This one happens to have the Givi kit attached to it already. Your Givi kit gives you the triangle piece, which locks in your touring case. It has the 2 posts that they slide into. All luggage racks, whether you choose the Givi kit or not, comes with the 4 rubber spacers, which will protect your luggage rack, whether you're putting a touring case, luggage, duffel bag, whatever it may be. So at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to take the 4 spacers that came with your kit, and we're going to put those into the holes. Then you're going to take the stock bolts that came with it and put those into the holes. You're going to put those into the 4 holes. Just kind of wiggle it. Then take your 5mm hex and lightly, hand tight, put in your bolts. The torque specs are going to be found in the written instructions that come with your kit. Tighten it down to the recommended torque specs. And that concludes the installation.